thousands of pounds of synthetic resin, intense heat, and precision flavoring. Have you ever wondered what it takes to manufacture the perfect chew at an industrial scale? Today, we're peeling back the wrapper on high-speed chewing gum processing. Welcome to Flow Lab.
In this hyper-realistic 8K environment, stainless steel machinery ensures a spotless production floor where
Sourced directly from the Manilkara tree, this raw chicle is now ready for the refinement process.
synthetic elastomers or rubber-like compounds in granular form, pouring into a hopper.
Precision is key. Every batch requires an exact measurement, ensuring consistency in the final product.
The sweetener slurry is pumped through these transparent tubes, ready for the next stage.
Parameters are stable across the board.
Confirmed. We can proceed to the next phase.
As the macro shot reveals, the crystalline structure of the sugar is slowly broken down and kneaded into the smooth gum base.
The high-speed rotation ensures the even distribution of flavor and sweetness throughout the mixture.
The modern industrial process begins as long, continuous ribbons of gum dough are extruded from the stainless steel machinery.
The gum base is precisely shaped into these small, pillow-like pellets, ready for the coating process.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision robotics ensure every piece of gum is perfectly aligned for the next stage of packaging.
The pellets gradually accumulating thin layers of white sugar.
Thousands of perfectly formed gum pellets flow rapidly through the clinical environment of the modern factory.
The TX5000 robotic arm ensures precision placement, handling over 500 packs per minute in this sterile environment.
The heart of the modern factory relies on this sophisticated stainless steel equipment, rapidly filling the plastic tub.
The macro lens captures the precise moment the glossy brand label is seamlessly applied, showcasing the efficiency of our automated assembly line.
The scale of modern food processing never ceases to amaze. If you found this look at chewing gum production insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more industrial deep dives. Thanks for watching Flow Lab.